my eyes even open? I was a rock crawler.
Damn it.
I went, tried to go up Turkey Claw. I made it 3 feet and broke a tie rod. Turkey Claw is like the entry level shit.
Oh,
It's the
okay.
easiest one there is.
I don't know, man. I just like turned the wheel in it.
Popped. Just like
And it just didn't go. Yeah, man, this thing is awfully close to my face, bro.
It's a 78 Tomos moped, and it's got a couple things done to it. It's got a bigger carb, bigger exhaust, bigger cylinder, but other than that, you know, just a good time.
Oh yeah.
So I tried to take the 21 Bronco up Turkey Claw.
Yeah, what happened on Turkey Claws?
I'll show you.
Oh. Why are you cross-eyed? I don't know. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at how tiny that little thing is. What?
I just broke it.
It looks like a factory replacement part coming in the works. So how did you get it down after that? That's always the most fun part.
So they just pulled us out of there with like straps and trucks, and then they towed us here. And I found out if you turn on trail turn, like steer the wheel all the way, it locks the inside rear wheel.
Oh, okay.
So I could almost kind of drive it like this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That was fun.
That's awesome.
So now we know what we gotta upgrade.
Yeah, because I've seen other Broncos do the same thing.
Yeah. Dude, I was just like, I just turned the wheel. And then it was like, oh, I don't have any steering. That was it. Like, it happened so quick.
Shit.
I want to look at your Gladiator though.
It did really well, and then I like the whoops that come in on like the access road.
Yeah.
I was going on like 65, and it was just the first time I've ever gotten into the bump stops.
Yeah.
Which is good.
April last year, I bought it stock, and then I pulled it in my garage last week in June to start on it. I won't do it again for a while.
Camera?
What's that pin for?
So you pull the pin,
Yeah.
and then you can if you take these two, there's 2, 5, 16, 18 bolts up here.
Yeah.
And you take the lane off, and then you can
These
sleeve.
tubes come off.
Yeah, so you can still take the top off.
Oh, cool.
And then you just sleeve it. It goes to sleeve back on.
Right.
So that's another thing I might be changing. I might be doing like a tube clamp on the inside. Because I can actually get to the inside. So I was thinking maybe doing nice. Honestly, it's like
What do you think, Tony?
I think it's perfect. It's pretty cool. Pretty sweet. Good job, Darren.
Legendary group right now. This is the trifecta. We'll see you guys later.
Wonder if he knows the thing has an exhaust leak.
Those come factory with every Ford.
It's true.
Yeah.
Had one.
Yeah.
These fine young Canadian gentlemen threw on like some bell pepper stuffed with rice. Yeah.
What's that on the left?
That's a wiener. Still hot.
Always make those noises when you're eating phallic shaped
Oh
food.
yeah. Oh yeah. Cameron, Vince, you want to try to grenade your clutch on it by pulling us out? Maybe we should just park it here, huh?
Yeah.
Come back for it like on Thursday?
Yeah. They flipped. That's funny. Yeah. See it right there. They flopped it. Yeah. Doing donuts, they flopped it.
Oh, the guys that were doing
Here's a sticker.
Just reset the brake. Jackhammer. So
Welcome to Yo and Frank.
Having any electrical issues.
Did that guy get one?
No, get the fuck out of here.
Or W, wherever Baja Mike is, he's the man. Always giving us parts. Serena, STHU. I don't Dan's probably drinking beer somewhere.
All right, we're here at King of the Hamburgers. It's the last day. We've been without water for like 4 or 5 days, but almost out of beer, so we're leaving. We're here with our friend.
I'm Dana Nevins.
Dana Evans.
Nevins.
Nevins.
Yes.
Dana Nevins.
How's it going?
Good. How are you, Vince?
Good.
Nice to meet you. And he took this up Turkey Claw. And what happened?
Well, we didn't even get into the hard stuff yet, and I was being a little cocky and going too fast. We were on the side route on the right-hand side, and there was a rock that stuck out about 1.5 feet, and we hit it a little too fast. And then I flipped over before I even got on it. And people were yelling like, "Make the Broncos proud!" But,
So,
yeah.
oh, this is
this is it right here. Yeah,
huh?
that's all the damage we had.
That's not
it actually
bad.
landed on the top here, which I have a new top waiting at the dealership. So
Oh, perfect.
Yeah,
This
I think
is still
that-
under warranty, right?
yeah, oh yeah, broke my mirror.
So are you driving this home?
Oh yeah. Well, no, I brought a trailer because I thought I was gonna break my tie rod, so I brought a trailer.
Oh, really?
And I didn't even, and so after we
So do you have extra tie rods?
no,
Okay.
I have a welder though. I brought a welder. That's what I saw. You can weld it up. So they flipped it back up. Somebody helped me winch it back onto his tires, so we finished Turkey Claw.
Oh,
so a
you
four-door-
finished the whole
yeah,
thing.
4-door Bronco did Turkey Claw.
Did you see Mike's Bronco?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw it at SEMA. That's nice.
Did you see it today?
Yeah, that's why I stopped here.
Did you see the alignment he did on it?
No, not yet.
Let's go check it out.
Hell yeah. We got to get some hot pickles too.
Oh yeah,
I'm here
and
for the
some
hot
whiskey.
pickles. And some whiskey, yeah.
I see you love day drinking.
Oh yeah.
Me too.
Hell yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So that's what happens right
Uh-huh.
there. Wow.
Mike went up Turkey Claw and did an alignment.
Well, you can overpower what it can do. To try and avoid that, I guess I was just like letting if the tire pulled hard, I just kind of like let go and back up a little bit.
Jesus, take the wheel.
Yeah. Yeah.
Later, Chance.
Bye, Chance.
Say bye to say bye.
Broke one of the hangers loose on the exhaust.
We make an exhaust for them. We
Yeah.
also make, I saw your fender was hanging out. We make a carbon fiber fender set.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Awesome.
You might need that stuff.
Yeah.
And because you were the first Bronco to go up Turkey Claw, we're gonna offer you a special offer. Today only, 25% off.
Yeah!
Wow. Awesome. What about appreciate it, guys. How about a hot pickle?
Oh yeah, let's do a hot pickle.
Yeah, there's a Bronco.
Oh yeah.
And also, where can people find you?
Follow me on Project Webshop on Instagram, Facebook.
All right. You heard it live, straight from himself.
All right, Vince, you want to tell us what you got going here?
Gonna ratchet strap the brake caliper to the control arm and hopefully get this wheel not so wonky. It's working. Basically, yeah. More driver. It's working. That's good. Ratchet strap work for now. Let's see if it makes it home.
We got the Bronco on the trailer, and the rest of the Broncos and the smoker. Good job, Vince.
Hey, thanks.
Yeah.
Couldn't have done it without you.
Yeah, you could.
No, probably not.
Yeah,
That's not going anywhere.
You need to fix that.
That's not going anywhere, Michael. This is my internet boyfriend, Christian. We are boyfriends because we really like mopeds.
Yep.
And this was our first meeting.
Good for
And it went well.
Yep. Oh dear.
Now it's time to go home.
Yep.
This forklift's got kings? Oh! Doesn't know how to drive yet. There goes my hat.
Yep, it's going. It's going.
So those things hibernate?
There's the cops.
Yeah.
Slow down.
Really?
No, I'm kidding.
Oh.
Bye.